Dear students, welcome to the math class. This is Vijayani Nair, lecturer in mathematics from Bose Cuttack. Okay. You have already introduced with integration. Now come to the next section. That is, in this class we are going to learn about integration by substitution. Along with we will do some related problems. And at last there is an assignment for all of you. Okay. So just pay your attention. Let's start integration by substitution. Okay, integration by substitution. For this, you have already known the integration of sin x. The integration of sin x with respect to x is your minus cos x plus c. Okay, minus cos x plus c. But if you are given to integrate sin 3x into 3 with respect to x, then how will you find it? This is not in this direct form. So we can't use this formula directly for this problem. Okay. But you can transform it to the standard form by using substitution. So let us see how will this. Let's substitute t for 3x. Okay, let's substitute t here for 3x. Then just differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then your left side will be dt by dx and your right side will be 3. The derivative of 3x with respect to x is your 3. That implies dt is your 3 into dx. Okay. Now by using this substitution, our integral becomes integral of sin 3x. Just replace this 3x by t and by this 3 dx by dt. Okay. So here we will get a simple integral, that is integral of sin t with respect to t. Okay. Now just use the simple integration formula to evaluate it. The integral of sin t is your minus cos t plus c. Now just replace this t by 3x. Okay. Because just replace this 3 by t by 3x. Because you are given the problem is in the variable x. So your answer should be in x. So here we will get, we have got the answer is minus cos 3x minus cos 3x plus c. Okay. So the integral of sin 3x into 3 with respect to x is minus cos 3x plus c. So now just generalize this for any function. Okay. Now let us generalize this for any function. That is, if you are given to integrate f of g of x. Okay, f of g of x into g dash of x with respect to x. By comparing these two, in place of f, you have your sine. Okay, and in place of g of x, you have your 3 into x. And in place of g dash x, you have 3. And you have to integrate with respect to x. Then how will you solve it? Just substitute t for g of x. Okay, just substitute t for g of x. Then differentiate t with respect to x, both sides. So you will get this. That implies dt is your g dash of x into g d of dx. Okay. Then by using this substitution, our integral becomes f of t into dt. Okay, our integral becomes f of t with respect to, integral becomes the integral of f of t with respect to t, which is a simple integration. Okay. After that you can solve this problem by using simple integration formula. Okay. Now let us do some more problems to clear about this. That is, you have to integrate cos ax plus b with respect to x. Okay, cos ax plus b with respect to x. For this, just substitute t in place of ax plus b. Okay, then differentiate both sides with respect to t. dt by dx is your a. That implies your dt is equal to a dx, or dx is equal to your dt by a. Then just substitute this, just use this substitution in this integral, so that our integral becomes a simple integral of cos t, and in place of dx here just write dt by a. Okay, that implies that is equal to 1 by a cos t dt. Okay, then just use the integration formula, that is the integral of cos t is sin t plus c. Okay, now just replace this t by ax plus b, as the problem we are given is in the variable of x. So our answer should be in the variable of x. Okay. So here you can find, you have found that the integral of cos ax plus b with respect to x is 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. Okay. Now just write this here. That is, the integral of cos ax plus b is 1 by a sin ax plus b plus c. Okay, just compare this with this formula. You have known the integral of cos x with respect to x is sin x plus c. Just comparing these two integrals, here you have the integral of cos x is sin x. Similarly, the integral of cos ax plus b is sin ax plus b. Here, just the coefficient of x is divided here. Okay. So, likewise, we can show that the integral of sec square ax plus b with respect to x will be tan ax plus b. Just divide the coefficient of x here. Okay, plus c. Okay, similarly, we can show that the integral of ax plus b with respect to x will be e to the power ax plus b. Just divide the coefficient of x here, that is 1 by a. Okay, multiply 1 by a plus c. Okay, these are likewise you will get all other formulas like integral of sin ax plus b with respect to x will be minus 1 by a cos ax plus b. Okay, these are also used as standard formula. Let us do some simple problems by using this standard formula. Okay. Suppose you have to integrate cos 3x with respect to x. Okay, just use this formula. That is, the integral of cos 3x is sin 3x. Just divide the coefficient of x here. Okay, plus c. Similarly, if you are given to integrate e to the power 4x with respect to x, that will be your e to the power 4x. Just divide the coefficient of x here. Okay, plus c by using the above standard formula. Okay. Similarly, if you are given e to the power 3x plus 2 with respect to x, that is e to the power 3x plus 2. Just divide the coefficient of x here plus c. Okay. Likewise, you will do some related problems which can be done by using this standard formula direct. Okay. Now let us do some problems of your exercise. That is, The first problem is integral of x square into cos x cube with respect to x. Integral of x square into cos x cube with respect to x. Actually, there is no fixed method to know the substitution. By your keen observation on the form of the integrand, you are able to choose the function for which you have to substitute t. Okay. So here you can point out that the derivative of x cube is 3x square. That is in the integrand. Okay. You have to point out the function whose derivative is in the integrand. That is here x cube. X cube, the derivative of x cube is 3x square. Okay. So just choose x cube for which you have to substitute t. Okay. So just substitute t for x cube. Then differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then your right side will be the derivative of x cube is your 3x square. Okay. That implies dt is equal to 3x square dx. Okay. So let us use this substitution in this problem. Okay. Our problem is just rewrite this as cos x cube into x square dx. To use this substitution, we have to here t. So just multiply a 3 here. So divided here. Okay. Then just use this substitution. That is equal to 1 by 3 cos x cube. In place of x cube just write t, and in place of 3x square just write dt. This is a simple integration. Okay. Now just use the formula to evaluate this. That is the integral of cos t is your sin t. Okay. 1 by 3 is here, and the integral of cos t is sin t plus c. Then just replace t by your x cube. T by your x cube. Okay. This is your required answer. Okay. Now come to the next problem, that is to integrate e to the power cos square x sin 2x with respect to x. Okay. With respect to x. Then just point out the function which is replaced by t. Which will be replaced by t. That is here cos square x. Just substitute t for cos square x. Okay. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have dt by dx, and your right side is your derivative of cos square x with respect to x. Okay. That is your dt by dx. By using chain rule, the derivative of cos square x is 2 cos x. The derivative of cos square x with respect to cos x, that is your 2 cos x, into the derivative of cos x with respect to x is your minus sin x. Okay, by using chain rule you can find out this. Then dt is equal to, this is your minus 2 sin x into cos x dx. Okay, and this is nothing but your sin 2x. So just write for this sin 2x dx. Okay, just write for this sin 2x dx. Okay, that can be also written as minus dt. Minus dt is equal to your sin 2x dx. Sin 2x dx. So by using this substitution, our integral By using this substitution, our integral become e to the power cos square t. Cos square t is replaced by t, and your sin 2x dx can be replaced by minus dt. Okay, that will be equal to minus e to the power t dt. Then just using the simple integration formula for e to the power t, we have the integral of e to the power t is e to the power t plus integrating constant c. Okay. Now just replace t. Now just replace t by cos square x. Okay. Plus c to get our required answer. This is our required answer. Okay. Now come to the next problem. That is integral of cosec square x by 3 with respect to x. Okay. Then for this just substitute t in place of x by 3. Because this is not in the standard form, the standard form will be cosec square t. Okay. So just differentiating both sides with respect to x, here we have the derivative of x by 3 is 1 by 3. That implies your dt is equal to 1 by 3 dx. Okay. Then by using this substitution, our integral becomes cosec square, just rewrite this as cosec square x by 3, and to use this formula is substitution, just divide at 3 here and multiply at 3 here. Okay. Now use this substitutions. So our 3 is here, then cosec square 3x, x by 3 is replaced by t, and dx by 3 should be replaced by dt. This is a simple integration. Then just use the simple integration formula. By using the simple integration formula, we have the integral of cosec square t is minus cot t plus c. That is your minus 3 cot t plus c. Now just replace the t by your x by 3 to get your required answer, x by 3, because your answer should be in the variable of x. Okay. Now our next problem is to integrate cosec square. Next problem is to integrate cosec square ln x by x with respect to x. Okay. Here just point out the function whose derivative is in the integrand. Okay. Just point out the function whose derivative is in the integrand. That is your ln x. The derivative of ln x is 1 by x. That is in the integral. So it is wise to substitute t for ln x. Okay. Then just differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have derivative of ln x is 1 by x. Okay. Now your dt is equal to dx by x. Okay. By using this substitution, our problem becomes so simple here. Let's see. Cosec square ln x. Ln x is your t, and for dx by x, just write here dt. Dx by x, just write here dt. This is a simple integral. Okay. And the integral of cosec square t is minus cot t plus c. Now just replace this t by ln x to get our required answer. Okay. This is very important, often comes in semester exams. Okay. Now let us come to another form of the integrand. When the integrand is a rational function, okay, when the integrand is a rational function, that is if the integrand is of the form of rational function and the derivative of denominator, is in the numerator, okay, then how will you simplify this? By taking the substitution t for g of x, okay, then just differentiate both sides with respect to x. Your left side will be dt by dx and your right side will be g prime x or g dash of x. That implies dt is equal to your g dash of x dx, okay, your g dash of x dx. Then by using this substitution, your problem becomes so simple here. That is, in place of g dash x dx, just write here dt, and in place of g of x, just write here t. See, your integral becomes so simple here. That is the integral of 1 by t with respect to t, which is equal to your ln mod t plus c. Then finally, just replace this t by g of x to get your required answer. This is a general form. Let us take some particular problems in this form. That is, suppose you have to integrate cot x with respect to x. This is very important. Cot x with respect to x. Just write this cot x as cos x by sin x. This is a rational function, okay, with respect to x. Then the derivative of sin x is cos x. That is, the derivative of denominator is in the numerator. So just substitute t for the denominator function, that is your sin x. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, you have here cos x. That implies dt is equal to your cos x dx. Okay. Now using this substitution, our problem convert to this. In place of cos x dx, just write dt and sin x would be replaced by t. Okay, and the integral is your ln mod t plus c. Then just replace t by your sin x. Okay, so here we have found that the integral of cot x with respect to x is your ln mod of sin x plus c. Okay. Now let us do similar type of problem, that is the integral of tan x with respect to x. Okay. Then just multiply a sec x and divide a sec x here. Okay. Then here you can notice that the derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, that is in the numerator. So you should substitute t for sec x. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, we have dt by dx is equal to sec x into tan x. That implies your dt equal to sec x tan x dx. Okay, sec x into tan x into dx. Then using this substitution, our problem becomes, in place of sec x tan x dx, just write here dt, and in place of sec x, just write here t. Okay, now the integral of 1 by t with respect to t is ln mod t plus c. Now just replace t by your sec x plus c. Okay. So here we have found that the integral of tan x with respect to x is your ln sec mod x. Sorry, ln mod of sec x plus c. Okay. Now the next one is, these are also used as formula to solve problems. Okay. Now the next one is the integral of sec x with respect to x. To integrate this, just multiply sec x plus tan x. Okay, sec x plus tan x in the numerator and also in the denominator. Okay, dx is there. Okay, then your numerator becomes sec into sec x is sec square x, then sec x into tan x divided by sec x plus tan x dx. Here you can notice that the derivative of sec x tan x is in the numerator. That is, if you substitute t for sec x plus tan x, your dt by dx is equal to, derivative of sec x is sec x into tan x, and derivative of tan x is your sec square. Okay. Then dt is equal to your sec x into tan x plus sec square x whole into dx. Then using this substitution, we have just replace this sec square x plus sec x tan x whole into dx by dt. We have here dt divided by, just replace this by t, we get this integral. And also the integral of this function 1 by 2 is ln mod t plus c. Now just replace this t by sec x plus tan x to get our required answer. That is, here we have found that the integral of sec x with respect to x is ln modulus of sec x plus tan x plus c. Okay. These are also used as standard formula to solve some problems. Okay. So you have to memorize these also. Then let us do some problems from your exercise related to this. That is your question number 6. Integral of cosec square x divided by 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot x with respect to x. Okay. Then here you can notice that the derivative of 1 plus cot x is cosec square x, which is in the numerator. So just substitute t. It is not necessary always to substitute t. Always you can take any variable like s, z. Okay. So here I am taking t. 1 plus, just substitute t for 1 plus cot x. Then differentiating both sides with respect to x, that is, the derivative of 1 is 0, the derivative of cot x is your cosec square x. Then dt is equal to your minus cosec square x dx. Okay. And this can be also written as minus dt is equal to cosec square x dx. Then by using this substitution, our problem transformed to your cosec square x dx. In place of cosec square x dx, just write minus dt. And in place of 1 plus cot t, just write dt. Okay. This is a simple integral. That is, just take minus 1 out of the integral. So you have your integral of 1 by t with respect to t, which is your minus ln mod t plus c. Now just replace this t by which we have taken here 1 plus cot x. 1 plus cot x plus c. So your required answer is minus ln modulus of 1 plus cot x. Okay. Now come to the next one. Our next problem is to integrate e to the power x minus e to the power minus x by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x with respect to x. Okay, with respect to x. Here you can notice that the derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, which is here, and the e to the power derivative of e to the power minus x is minus e to the power minus x. Okay, so just substitute t for e to the power x plus e to the power minus x to solve this problem. Okay, then by differentiating both sides with respect to x, you have your derivative of e to the power x is e to the power x, and derivative of e to the power minus x is your minus e to the power minus x, as we have proved before. Okay, then dt is equal to e to the power x e to the power minus x dx. Okay, now using this substitution, our problem transformed to just write dt in place of e to the power x minus e to the power minus x dx. Okay, that is your dt divided by, just replace this e to the power x plus e to the power minus x by t. Okay, see here, this is a simple integral, and the integral of this is ln mod t plus c. Okay, now just replace this t by e to the power x, this t by e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus c. Okay, this is your required answer. That is, the integral is our ln modulus of e to the power x plus e to the power minus x plus integrating constant. Okay, now let us come to the assignment problems. Okay, I think all of you understood this class, so you are able to do some problems. So I am giving you some problem as assignment. Okay, this is the assignment for all of you. Okay, you have to do these 6 problems which are very important, often comes in semester exams. Okay, so in the next class I will discuss about integration of some trigonometric functions. Okay, so thank you, see you in the next class.